Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of X account. So go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead into searching for X, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the, as you can see right here, if the X app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. If it doesn't, just jump right into it. Now, after I update the app and everything, go back to your screen and go ahead to your X app or Twitter app. And as you can see right here, you will see the interface of the app. And what I'm gonna do in order to log out of X account, I'm gonna click on my profile icon at the top left. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to settings and support, go ahead to the settings in privacy, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your account. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead to the account information. You're gonna see your username, phone, email, and your country. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just simply go ahead and log out of X account and just hit log out. I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.